my god. Oh my god. He's going right back down to the bottom. Oh my god. I think this is a big fish. What a fish. Amazing. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are back out here doing some ice camping. I got here pretty late, as you can see. Set up in the dark, didn't really film anything. But yeah, I had to take a ferry out here to get to this new spot, and we'll be chasing after some lake trout. I don't think we'll be catching anything here tonight, but the goal is to be here for all day tomorrow, sleep here again another night, and then get another morning out here chasing some lakers. But yeah, till then, right now, as my camping style has gotten bougier and bougier, I have set up a barbecue outside. I'm heating it up. We are going to be cooking some steaks out here on the ice. They are, well, they need to be cooked. They're the day of 30% off style of steak, because that's the only way you can afford them nowadays. Anyways, we're going to cook those up, eat them, hit the hay, wake up, start catching some lake trout. All right, steak is ready. All right, guys, good morning. After I had my steak last night, I just went straight to sleep. And then we woke up, kind of started tying on a bait. As soon as I put down the tube I'm using right now, I'll bring it up. It's a long ways down. Using the 6-inch Frosty Clown tube from Frostbite, and as soon as I get it down there, I end up hooking up with the first laker of the trip. There we go. Here we go, guys. First laker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're hooked up. We are hooked up. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh yeah, it's a nice fish too. It is a nice fish too. Oh my god, iron rod is just bent. Camera's not set up. I don't know if I can get it set up in time. Come on. Oh wow, it's just dry. Oh, don't lose it. Don't lose it. There's that. Oh yeah. Here we go, guys. Trying to get this camera set up at the same time. But I don't want to lose the fish at the same time. Oh, he's close. Oh yeah, he's right here. Oh, right at the hole. Don't want to lose him at the hole. Lake trout, baby. Oh, right at the... Yeah. Yes. The first lake trout of the day. This is not the camera to be using in here. What a sweet fish. I'm gonna measure it. This would be my PB Laker to start the day. 31-inch lake trout. All right, one last look at this. Beautiful fish. Oh, awesome lake trout to start the day. I'm gonna get my cameras actually set up now. Wow, there's my PB to start, 31-inch Laker. Let's get some more. Oh, you're good. Yeah, there you go. Here we go. There it is. So the Laker ended up being a 31-inch Laker. My filming wasn't great. I had my other camera set up, which isn't a wide angle for this tight space. But yeah, 31-inch lake trout, and it took a minute to revive. It swallowed the tube. But yeah, that is my PB lake trout to start the day. Chances are we could beat it yet again this morning. I mean, it is 7:15. I caught that Laker before 7 o'clock this morning. So that's a great way to start the day, and it is only beginning. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, hit it. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, he missed. Yeah, he hit it. Oh, no! I missed him. I missed him. He's gonna hit again. Come on, hit it. He's right at the hole. No, I missed one. Yeah, this one's gonna get it. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, yeah, that's a fish. That's a good fish. Oh yeah, baby. Lake trout. Look at that friggin' rod. Oh yeah. That is amazing. That is amazing. That's the fish we're looking for. Something like that. So aggressive. Oh my God. They just head shake like crazy. I'm tying line right now for another rod, of course. So let's not mess this up. Oh, there's a leader. Oh, it's a nice fish. Oh, don't lose it at the hole. Don't lose it at the hole. Don't lose it at the hole. Okay. Oh my God. Oh. Yep. Yes. Yes. Perfectly hooked. Oh yeah, baby. That is a wicked. I had about 3 different fish here. You can probably see it on the live scope. But look at this fish. Beautiful lake trout. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, he's burping. Just trying to get him to chill out here for a second. Here it is, guys. Beautiful lake trout. Right beside my bed here. I'm gonna get another measurement on this one. I think we just got another new PB. .31.5, this one. 31.5, beat it by a ½ inch. Just a friggin' beautiful fish. Gotta love Lakers. The fight is absolutely amazing. Can't believe I'm gonna give him a drink, get a quick shot outside, and then get him back. Here we go. There it is. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. 2 of them too. Yeah. Oh. 2 of them. He missed. He missed. Oh my God. Oh! No. He's gonna hit again. Come on, hit again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh, no, no, no. 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 Oh my God. A lunch, well, breakfast, lunch, brunch. It's brunch. Coffee and full, although I don't believe any of this is very good for you, so I don't suggest it. It's just convenient. No dishes. Oh, hold that thought. Got 2 fish coming in. I think that one sees me maybe. Okay. Always. Oh, I know. This is not good. That wind is not good at all. It's pretty alarming, honestly. Yeah, this is not good. Oh, wow. So bad for you. So good. We got Laker chasing. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure I'm hooked on this one. Oh, it's head shaking crazy. No way. Mid bite. And then Laker wants to chew too. Oh wow, you can see him way down there. Just pulling. Oh, yeah. Oh man, these fish fight so hard. Wow. He's way over. Oh, he's close to me now. Oh yeah, nice fish. Nice fish, don't lose him at the hole. This is the time to shine. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's get it together here. A little bit of a pain in the arse. This girl is a fatty. Look at that fish. That is amazing. Lake Ontario lake trout, baby. What a beautiful specimen. Oh, wow. 27 inches. So give it another wipe here. Oh, wow. Oh! And she gone. Not a clean release on that one, but it's back in the water, back to the depths. Not the cleanest release on my part there. I was honestly just trying to rinse the fish off and evaluate it because it is bleeding pretty bad. It actually has some blood on my live scope and everything. It didn't seem to be harmed, just a lot of blood. And it swam right back down to the bottom. So in that part it's good, but I would have liked to get a better look at the fish just to make sure it was okay. But yeah, finally got another one. That's the third fish of the day, beautiful fish. That one was fat. And I had actually hooked into one not too long ago. I was on the phone with my mom. The camera wasn't even on, of course. And there was a lot of distractions going on. Ended up losing it. But I wanted to make sure I got this one. So this is amazing. Honestly, when I bought Live Scope, this is what I wanted to do, was chase lake trout. I kept watching these videos and just amazed by the technology and watching these fish chase up and down. And you can see them just darting in. Like one of the most aggressive species out there in terms of, especially like ice fishing and jigging wise. Of course you have pike and muskie, very aggressive species, but there's nothing quite like Lakers. They chase up and down, they'll circle like sharks. It's It's pretty amazing to watch. I was actually watching one down through the hole while I was talking to my mom, dive at the bait and chase it. It was only about 10 feet under the ice. So such a cool species. Always wanted to do this. I was talking to Andrew, actually. He mentioned this spot, got me out here, and yeah, well worth it. Thanks, man. This is this is amazing. Drop, drop. Oh, we want to get your attention. Trick for fishing. Do something other than fishing and fish will start to come out. Oh, jeez, baby. If you start cooking, if you start watching YouTube videos, a fish will chase your lure. I just had him bite my lure, maybe. I'm dumb. Don't worry. Well, I'm hard on these girls. Oh, pay attention. Pay attention to the fish. That's what we're here for. Oh, is he gonna come back? Is he gonna come back? I pulled a dummy. It's released. Oh, he went for it. Yeah, come on, get it. Yeah, here we go. Come on, he's missing it. Yeah. Oh, damn. Damn. Didn't hook up. That felt good too. Fuck. Well, I just lost another lake trout. It's really been slow the last hour and a half or so, just for seeing fish in general. That fish came in, it was hot. I've switched lures, which I'll show if I catch a fish. But the thing with lake trout is you're gonna lose them. Unfortunately, that's just part of the game. I would have had 7 fish today if I was the perfect fisherman, but I am not. So I've had 4 bites I've missed out on today. I struggle to see if I should hook set again. Sometimes I worry about really pulling on that hook and losing and pulling it out of the mouth. But at the same time, I did a good hook set. Maybe should have done a little confirming hook set. It's tough, man. Fishing is tough in general. These fish are very aggressive. They shake their head back and forth as hard as they can, like a dog with a pull toy, you know. And unfortunately, they come off due to that. We're going to get another opportunity here, so. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. That's a good. Feels good. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's shaking. He's head. Oh. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Listen, pull on that. Oh, God. Oh my God. Oh my God. He's going right back down to the bottom. Oh my God. Yeah, this is a goodie. Yeah. He's not even, I can't even move him. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think this is a big fish. Oh. Wow. He's still. I want him to tire out before I get him too close to the hole, but. Wow. This is cool. I can't believe this. Oh yeah, this is the type of fish we're here for. Lake Ontario is known for giants. And to get one of these through the ice, oh my gosh. Just let him work himself. Yeah. Wow. Just a giant. I don't even know how big he is. This is a heavier rod. And I'm having to fight him. Like, he's still pulling hard. We'll look down the hole and see what. Oh yeah, there's a big fish. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Come on. Oh yeah. I got someone nearby. I'm gonna see if they can give me a hand with this fish. Oh, hey man, I got a giant on right now. So I can't grab the phone. Oh, oh my God. Oh, holy. Oh, what a fish. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sorry about that. How's it going, man?
Pretty good yourself.
Great.
Holy fuck. That's a big one.
It is. I didn't even think it was that big until it bit, and then I was like, oh my God. Started to reel it up, and then it just dragged me back down to bottom.
Oh yeah?
I've been fighting it for a couple minutes.
Oh shit. Nice.
Oh my. All right, guys. You want to close that for a second? Light, sorry. We have got an absolute giant here. Oh my, this is what we came here for. Beautiful lake trout. I'm gonna give it a drink here. Oh. Sorry about that, man. Yeah, this is definitely one I want to get some photos with.
Sure.
All right, let's get a measurement on this fish. Oh, come on. It still has fight in it, eh? 35 incher. Right, here it is again. 35-inch lake trout, my new PB. We're gonna get it back in the water where it belongs. So awesome. Oh, come on. Oh, just a giant.
New PB?
That's the new PB.
Mine is 34, so.
Well, it's mine before this. I caught one like on a canoe trip years ago, so it was probably 29 inches. Today I've got a 31 and a half. That's a big girl. It's crazy. The fight is amazing.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Glimpse.
Yeah,
Like,
that's
so
me. I caught a 27 as well today, and it threw me. When I threw it on the measuring board, I was like, "What?" Because it looked just as big as those 31s.
Yeah. Good thing for the double hole.
I know. Keep looking at it in it. It's crazy. Oh, there it is.
Nice.
You should be able to see it down on the screen too. That's awesome. Oh, it was just right there.
Nice. On the ripping rod?
Yeah. I've had, that's the third fish that hit it.
Okay.
They've been like, any fish that comes to chase it's hitting this instead of, because a lot of fish I've had this morning, which using that big tube, I think I've had small fish just like overwhelmed by it.
All right, I'll head back to fishing. Huh?
Thanks, man. I
Nice to
appreciate
meet
you coming over.
Yeah, I think you did. Little video.
Okay, so if you do need propane too, you could use mine. I'm not using it.
Should be good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'll let you know.
Okay. Yeah, I have a line too if you need a line to connect it.
Go.
All right, man. Thank you so much. All right, guys. No, I haven't calmed down at all, actually. I am vibrating. My foot is like shaking when I take it off the ground. It's absolute chaos in here. It's absolute mess. I've got fish poop on my slipper. There is blood. It is chaos. What an amazing fish. If you were wondering why I didn't get overly excited earlier about crushing my PB with the 31 and the 31 and a half, one, it's because I don't do a lot of lake trout fishing. So my PB isn't that high in the first place. But two, I know the caliber of fish that are in these waters. That is still, it's a giant to me, but there is absolute giants in here. We're talking about 10 inches longer, probably 20 pounds heavier on it. See, I don't even know. I really don't know. But it's quite the fishery. And to get one of these fish through the hole, when I seen it down the hole, swimming below, like, I was like, oh God. I called my friend across here. It's a friend of Andrew's. He's out here as well. And it was kind of like, hey, if you guys get a big fish, we'll call each other and run over. So I called him. I couldn't even talk to him. It was just on the line. He ran over, helped me take a couple pictures. But absolutely amazing. As you can tell, I'm so excited. That is what I came for. I'm just messaging Andrew right now, and he's like, hey, man, you're probably going to catch a bigger one today. He caught 236s back-to-back yesterday, so. Yeah, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, yeah, I guess I'll show you guys the lure, since it did catch a fish. Not even a fish, the fish. Here it is, the lure that did it. It is a rip and wrap. What are these? It's a number 7 rip and wrap. I think that's the largest size. It's like a 2.5 inch bait. And I chose something with a little bit of shine and just, it looks very fishy. It looks like a fish, looks like a bait fish. The idea is that the rattle would bring in more fish. And as soon as I did that, not only did I see fish, but fish started engaging with this bait, and the three fish that have engaged with this bait, specifically have bit. Although I missed the first two. The first one probably should have had. Second one, it just like nipped it. It was just a little, and then that last one, we connected. We made sure we did. And it was an absolute beautiful fish. Amazing that there's bigger out here, because I don't even know. I don't even know how I'm going to get through the hole. Okay, back to fishing. Oh, all right, guys, as you can, oh shit. Well, it is many hours later. As you can see, I've finally laid down here. Just ate some leftover steak from yesterday and had some macaroni earlier. Oh yeah, what a day, man. That is kind of my dream for a long time, was to catch lake trout like that. I went over Christmas. I was off of work. Went on a lake trout fishing mission. I ended up catching 5 of them. It was a grind, and they were all under 20 inches. And then to come here today and have a day like this, 31, 31 and a half, 27, and then 35. I mean, Couldn't ask for much more, but there is going to be more because I am sleeping here again, waking up in the morning, and gonna catch another one. So yeah, pretty darn amazing. Anyways, I'm going to sit here, play on my phone, pass out, and wake up. We will add at least one more lake trout to this video.
I mean, obviously looking back now, you can and all the things you've accomplished since then, but like in that moment, did you realize like how heavy?
Don't be silly, wrap your willy. Oh. Well, guys, it is the next morning. I've seen a couple fish come through, but a lot of fish are hugging the bottom, and they were doing the same yesterday. So today, the wind is a little bit less chaotic. I'm gonna put out a tip up, and see if we can't get one of these fish that are hanging to the bottom to take a big bait. Big bait equals big fish. That is the goal. So potentially we get a big girl while we're sitting in here jigging. That is the goal. So I'm gonna head outside, drill another hole, and get this set up. All right, we officially got our tip up set up. I'll be interested to see how that pans out for us today. Made a coffee before I went out there so I can come back to a warm drink. And I've marked my tip up with my bin and my propane canister. Just want to make sure that if anyone was, oh God, I got fish. But yeah, I just want to make sure that if anyone is riding a snowmobile, four-wheeler on the waterway, that they're able to see that there is a rod there. Sorry, I got distracted by some Lakers, thankfully. Oh, there he is. Yeah. On the jig. Oh yeah. He's swimming up towards me. Yeah, here we go. Jigging in spot. Finally got the first Laker of the day. Seen a bunch, but they've really been tough today. Not chasing, just swimming by. If I start to reel away, they would go away from me. And then this one, I dropped back down, started jigging in place. It came over and smashed the bait. Just don't want to lose him here. Oh, he's burping right below the ice. Oh, he hit the scope here. Oh, nice fish. Yeah, baby. Okay. You just flooded my house, bro. You just flooded my house. All right, sweet. Persistence is key. All right, guys. First Laker of the day. Not quite like the others from yesterday, but still a beautiful fish. I'm actually going to keep this one. Mom and my stepdad have been asking quite a bit for some fish to bring home, and I think this is gonna be the one. What a beauty. And this one again is on the number 7 ripping wrap. I feel like this bait will give me a little bit more opportunities for more fish while still being able to get those big ones, as we seen yesterday. But I had a lot of chasers on the tube yesterday that eventually wouldn't commit, and I think it was due to the size of the bait compared to the size of the fish. But still, small fish are going to smash big baits too, whether it's musky fishing, pike fishing. It is what it is. You could catch a 20-inch pike on a 10-inch musky bait. Like, it's, fish are crazy.
Oh, he ain't bad. He ain't too shabby.
Whoa.
I got him.
Hey.
Look at that big mouth.
Come on, buddy. Here we go. Come on. Yeah, baby. Come on, get it. Come on. He's swiping at it. Yeah, here he goes. Oh, he missed it. Come on. Oh man, he's chasing up so high. Line it up. He's gonna be right below the ice here. Oh, come on. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Chased up all the way. Oh, he's in the transducer. Oh, he's wrapped in the transducer. That's not good. Oh, I got him off of it. He's barely hooked, I think. But we're gonna get him up. Yep. Nice. Oh, what a chase. All the way to just under the ice. Oh, I don't think he was actually getting off. He's hooked with both hooks on the rip and wrap. Oh, it's getting one hooked quick. All right, guys, what a beautiful fish. This one is charged up here. Another beautiful lake trout. I was watching a video and 2 fish were on my bait. I worked him up, finally got him to engage. Sorry, he is wound up. I got to get him back. What a lively fish. I'm not even gonna get a measurement. So awesome. Here's one last look. Beautiful lake trout. Amazing. Oh, okay, you're going back. Yes. So cool. Just got the live scope cam set up too. That's awesome. Here we go. Oh, he swiped at it. Come on. Yeah. Here we go. Missed the hook set on this camera, but I think I got the GoPro going in time. I think it's a nice fish here. Oh yeah. Came up and just throttled it. Oh, I love lake trout, man. Just rod bent. Oh yeah. Listen to that. This drag is set pretty good. And this is a heavy rod in it. Oh yeah. This is another good fish here. Oh yeah. Oh man, yeah, I can see him swimming down there. Oh God, here he goes. He's going. Yep. He's back down to, or is that another fish? No, that's another fish down at 60 feet. That's awesome. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't. What? Oh my God, I've watched so many YouTube videos over the years. Back in the day, I just wasn't set up to ever do something like this. And things have come full circle. It's so amazing. Oh, he's getting close. Oh, I just don't want to lose him here. Oh yeah, he's bouncing against the ice. Oh, he's fighting me good here. Oh yeah. Okay, I got my leader. Oh, he's right here. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another just beautiful fish here. He does not want to come out of that hole. Yeah, baby. Oh my God. All right, guys. Look at this Laker, baby. Another beauty. They're just tanks here. Oh my God. Gonna get a measurement on this one for sure. 32.5. Awesome. Give you guys another look here. What a fish. So cool. Look how fat these things are. Just picked. Gonna give him a drink here. Oh, buddy. Okay, we're just gonna get this guy back. He's ready to go. Oh, down the hole. How about that? Amazing. What a fight. Oh my God. So slow today, and then to have a fish like that come in and destroy this rattle bait. Rip and wrap for the win, man. Yes, I love this. Gaining a lot of confidence with this bad boy right now. I had the big 4-inch tantrum on yesterday, and as soon as fish started to come towards it, I started reeling up, they would bail. And I actually ended up watching one of Andrew's videos here. He just put out a lake trout video, and he talked about them getting scared by the 4-inch bait and about Doug Wagner using ripping wraps, which I've watched a million times. I bought a million ripping wraps due to that. Finally putting them to good use. Oh my God. That is what it's all about, baby. I love fishing! Well guys, I think I'm gonna start packing up here today. It has been very slow. I'm not marking many fish. I did catch 3, but I'm not seeing any. It's been very slow, and I've just been very fortunate to get the 3 that I did. I'm not sure what all I'm going to show in the video as a total, just because I caught 7 fish. It's quite a bit of fish. I don't wanna make the video too long, so I might split it up between a couple of videos. But yeah, what an amazing trip. Definitely worth roughing it, camping out here for a few days, dealing with the conditions to catch fish like that. It's been a pretty remarkable year for me. Big walleye, big pike, big Lakers. It's been stuff I've wanted to do for a very long time, and for it to finally come together has been amazing. So anyways guys, I appreciate all the support. The channel has been doing fairly well lately, and I appreciate all the new subscribers. So if you're new here, welcome. And for all the people that have been stuck it out through the years, I truly appreciate it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And until next time, just keep going, one day at a time.